Hello everyone, I'm YIWEI. Today I want to discuss a common challenge in education. How can we actually improve the way we teach and the way we evaluate learning? This isn't just a technical question. It affects how every student learns and grows. Here is the core of the issue. Is assessment helping teaching, or is it controlling it? In many classrooms, teaching becomes about covering content quickly, and learning becomes about memorizing for grades. When that happens, assessment stops being a tool for growth. Why is it so hard to change? Here are three big reasons. First, system pressures, like exams and rankings that push everyone towards traditional testing. Second, cultural beliefs. Many still think high scores equals good education. Third, training gaps. Teachers often haven't been trained in alternative ways to assess students. When teaching and assessment are misaligned, we lose something important. Teachers can end up as content transmitters instead of learning facilitators. Students may become skilled test takers without being true learners. So, what can we do? I'd like to share three practical shifts we can make. The first shift is in purpose, moving from just sorting students to actually helping them grow. Assessment shouldn't just rank students. It should help us understand their progress, give useful feedback, and support every student's individual development. We can do this by using more ongoing assessment throughout their learning process. The second shift is in method, moving from paper and pencil tests to more varied and authentic assessments. We can use things like project-based assessment, performance tasks, and learning portfolios. For example, in a science class, students could design and report on an experiment. In a humanities class, they could participate in an evidence-based debate. Let the assessment itself be a meaningful learning experience. The third shift is who is involved, moving from teacher-controlled evaluation to teachers and students working together. We should encourage students to help set assessment standards and to take part in self-assessment and peer review. This helps them think about their own thinking, develops their critical skills, and turns them from being judged to taking ownership of their learning journey. These changes are not just about improving tests. They're about something bigger. They're about fairness, giving every student different ways to show what they have learned. They are about better teaching, helping teachers really understand what their students need. And they're about preparing students for real life in the future, not just for exams. To wrap up, improving teaching and evaluation means making assessment a tool for learning, not a barrier to it. Thank you for listening.